20K live trade, baby. Question everything, trust nothing. Welcome to Crypto Wars. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Right, I almost started that the same way as if we had an intro, right? Like I started like doing the little thing, and then we like click over to the intro, and then I realized, oh, I better keep talking because we don't have our intro yet. We're working on it, Crypto fam. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Crusader, how is your day going, good sir?
It's been a day, man. It's been one of those days for sure. But hopefully this Bitcoin trade goes boom, baby, and we make some money.
That's right. And if you're looking to make some money, use the link in the description. And, well, actually, I've got it pinned in the chat in the YouTube right now. So if you guys are looking to trade for Trading Wars, somebody won $1,000 last month. I'm sure somebody will win $1,000 this month. We are working on season 3 right now, getting the lineup together. We've got all sorts of fun stuff going on, some little changes that we're making. Dude, we got a lot going on. So Flipper Hodl, that's happening. If you guys want, we are up to $1,945 on Flipper Hodl. If you haven't seen it before, I think Crusader is going to pull it up. You want me to pull it up, bro?
It's gonna take me a little bit.
It's going to take a second. Okay. I'll pull that up in a few minutes. But we are toying with the idea of possibly running the next one on Friday. Is that kind of what we're toying with, Crusader?
Yeah, that's the plan. The plan is we might just fund it ourselves. You need to do something done right, you just gotta do it yourself.
Got to do it yourself. That's right. So we are considering the idea of sponsoring one by yours truly, Crypto Wars, because we want to keep it rocking and rolling. We have some of the sponsors in the background that are coming in. They're just waiting on a couple things from us and then blah, 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 back and forth. So if you want to play Flipper Hodl, you've got a couple different ways you can do it. One way, NFTs. So we've got our NFTs. They're 0.1 Ethereum. We will make sure to put the QR code up if you guys are interested in that. We'll put that up if you get mine or Crusaders or the winner. So literally, dude, you have a 25% chance if you buy one of the NFTs for 0.1 to come on the show automatically, because it's literally, that's a 25% chance that when you buy that NFT, you get that. Also, if you get one of the traders, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, that's part of the way that you can jump on the show. And like I said, $1,945. So
yeah, these NFTs definitely got a lot of value. They're more than just a collectible piece, right? Kind of a little fun fantasy draft to try to pick your favorite trader, or just try to win. Just try not even your favorite trader, maybe just the most profitable trader, right? Try to scoop them up and make sure you get that 25% mint paid out to you, and come on the show for Flipper Hodl to try to win an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever it is at that time. Because if we do play on Friday and somebody only takes away another 100, maybe even $500, there's still
it's gonna be like 20. If they take 500, it's gonna be almost 2,500 the next time we do it.
Yeah,
even if they take 500, or if they take 1,000, it's going to be back up to $1,955. Right. So this number is going to get exponentially bigger. Obviously, we're hoping somebody comes on, just cleans house and wins. That's the goal. There is the
I wanted to rack up to 10K, but I don't know. Maybe by the time season 2 ends of Trading Wars, it'd be like first week to second week of December.
Oh, maybe we could give somebody a big Christmas bonus.
That's right.
Yeah, just fund somebody's Christmas for them. That would be, dude, that would be dope. We should actually do something special for Christmas. We'll figure out doing something for you guys, because we appreciate everybody and all of your support. I want to, first of all, jump into the chat. First in the chat today, the Enigmantis. Nice. Starting just after Jason Casper's stream. Jason Casper is a good friend of the show. He's a great dude. We love him. Crypto Needs Red Bull in the house. Puddles, Mr. Market, Patriot Caveman. Glad to see everybody today. It is a Wednesday. It's the day before Thanksgiving. Crusader, what are your plans for tomorrow?
To survive.
Survival. That's what we do. That's the whole DCA fam deal, right? We're here to survive.
No, I was just talking about my family.
Right, but I mean, hey, that's always been the motto, right? We want to continue to survive. So Sophisticated Dirtbag Fly Fishing said, yo, fellas, what's going on, guys? So yeah, if you want to compete, sign up. Definitely do that. Win yourself possibly $1,000 like somebody did last month. If you want to jump on the show, buy one of the NFTs, or we're still doing super chats for those. We're not trying to beat a dead horse. We're just trying to continue to get people on here to give away money. I mean, that's ultimately the goal. So if that's you, throw it out there.
If that's annoying, I'm sorry. I guess, just giving away free money, it must be so damn annoying. You must have so much of it.
I know. You've got so much money that you're not even interested in coming on the show and giving yourself an opportunity to win thousands of dollars. Yeah. You're like, don't need it. So
these freaking guys trying to give money away. So annoying.
Let me show the crypto markets right quick. Let me update this. We have got the global crypto market cap at 1.39 trillion with the T dollars. That is down 2.21%. But hey, Bitcoin's up today, baby. So is my girl ETH. Bitcoin's up 1.07% at 37,330. We're going to get into well, we're already in the trade, so we'll show you that here in just a minute. We'll show you how that is rocking and rolling here in just a second. ETH up 4.79% at $2,077. BNB, I'm telling you, I should have said it yesterday. That was the play. The guys should have been shorting BNB during the CZ news. And we'll talk about that a little bit more today as well. XRP up a couple percent. Solana up almost 5%. Rolling down through the rest of the top 10. Cardano up a couple percent. Cardano creeping on that 40 cents. And rounding out the top 10, Dogecoin's at about 7.5 cents, and Tron is at 10 cents, up 3.5. Let me check on my little other lover here. Where's VeChain? Let me see where she's at. There she is. She's up 3.75% at a little bit over 2 cents. I need to stack some more, add some more to my communist bags, as you call it, Crusader, because commie coin, baby, all about it. Just got to support these businesses and all that they're doing in the background. You know what I mean? Just
like California is doing.
Sure. Let's check in on the trade, bro. Let's see where we're at.
Let me pull up my screen.
All right. So we have in currently a right at $20,000 trade.
Let's go, baby. We're up 71 cents. $22, $2, $4. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
I love that Jason Casper does that, bro. It's so funny. He's like, come on, baby, pump. Blowing on the freaking mic. French Toaster says, hola, what up, brother? Good to see you. Good to see you. We appreciate everybody for being here. We've been focusing on trading, and I wanted to talk
we suck at it. So that's
we need to get better for sure, no doubt. And we are the dynamic duo here. And Crusader has been getting a lot better at actively trading. And his flaw is where I come in, right? So I have always been the guy that gets greedy. And the crazy thing is, I'm telling you, I think that this works well. When I'm not the one executing the trade, what I've noticed is I have an easy time. It's our shared account. I've noticed it is so much easier for me to tell you to take profit, Crusader. Like, you're executing the trade. I'm not actually, doing it. It makes it way easier for me to look at it from like a bird's eye view, see the trade and see, man, like freaking take profit. Now we just got to be able to reach into Crusader's head and twist it up and shake it up and say, bro, listen to me. Because taking profit's the hard part, but it is the one thing that you have control of. When you are up in a trade, if you have some sort of a game plan, I think that's something we could get better at, is actually, so when you,
I do have a game plan. My game plan just never happens.
Your game plan is always to hit the take profit, but
get rich or die trying.
But we just need to slide that stop up, baby. Just slide the stop. And when the stop is all the way in profit, it's a beautiful thing. You get stopped out. You can't ever call the top unless you're me. I mean, I call tops, but
just never trade.
Just never trade. I can call all the tops and I never trade. So yeah, we want everybody to be profitable traders. And we want to remind everybody, when we're doing trading wars, it's tough. Like, bro, let me look real quick. So the teams.
Even right though yesterday I smoked your team, I'm just gonna put that out there.
You did, but I have something to tell you.
I made like 200, almost $200 trading yesterday on the show.
The whole team,
which is actually, I would say, the second biggest amount of profit in one single trading session outside of AJ.
Outside of AJ, you did, and you could have made a hell of a lot more if you would have listened to me.
But that's outside of the show. But I'm saying just within the time frame of the show. Yesterday, I made like $140 $40
Yeah,
trading,
which is
which
good.
is more than anyone's ever made on season 1 or 2, except for AJ.
Except for
That's obviously
AJ's
made a lot
freaking
more.
yeah. Well, let me just throw this out there, and we will give you an actual update. We've been putting together a nice little graphic. But so Team Keeper is down 12.24%. Team Crusader is down 12.94%.
Let's go,
So
baby.
we are
We're holding that
absolutely
ground.
neck and neck. And I want to tell you this. I got a text message a little bit ago. I didn't tell you about this yet. So for those of you that didn't know, Frankie and Kelly had some scheduling issues. So we had to flip over to 4v4. So I conned Crusader into giving me my boy Honest. Been friends with Honest for a long time. He's a great dude. And so I conned him into it, right? And so in the meantime, I know this doesn't count for the show, but I want to tell you that Honest was at 926 yesterday. He is at 1442. So your boy,
Nice.
my boy now, right, is in the background making big moves. And I think he's going to come on to the team as a strong asset. You probably traded the wrong individual. So,
All I'm gonna say is your team's superpower is to be super profitable outside the show, but on the show when it counts,
well, I don't
choke
know.
under pressure, bro.
AJ would be the exception to that. He absolutely
AJ got
did
his
kill it the
cheeks
first
clapped
time.
on Monday.
He did get
and
clapped
he
on Monday.
that didn't work out for him at all.
He did get clapped on Monday. And so what we want to remind everybody is, as you're watching Trading Wars, we keep talking about this, but we want you guys to be profitable and remind you we're doing this for entertainment purposes. But I want to throw this out there too, because we're making it so hard on the traders and making them execute. I don't know why more people aren't jumping in and trying to compete against them, because, dude, think about this. We've got pro traders. We've got pro traders. They
all suck.
They all suck. Please, none of them are watching. No, we've got pro traders that have been doing this for years, and we put them in such bad positions that
it's stacked.
The teams are down, dude. The deck is stacked against the traders. So somebody has to be able to jump in there without even doing anything too crazy.
Definitely in the favor of the audience to trade versus the traders on the show, because we know they can trade, right? We know they can make money
for sure. They all do.
Yep. Under the conditions of the show, only $1 billion market cap, right?
Oh, yeah.
Under 1 hour, have to execute a trade only 2 times a week for 4 weeks. And sometimes it's just not the best time to trade. And it really hasn't been. The first season, we got lucky, right? We had 2 Mondays back to back that were
we didn't.
Crazy.
Your team did,
good.
But this part of we didn't partake in the 2 lucky Mondays. But just that's how it rolls. It is. It is what it is, and you take your lumps as they come. That was definitely on season 1. So season 2 so far, like I said, it's neck and neck. 12.24% down for my team, 12.94% for Crusader. So we are effectively almost at dead even. And I just wanted to remind everybody, trade against these guys because you have a huge freaking advantage. Let me jump in here and pull a chat. Sophisticated Dirtbag Flash, she said, objective plans before you jump in and stick with it. So we said we were going to talk some trading. We do have a couple things that we want to touch on in terms of some news and whatnot, and some information we want to throw out there, some new stuff with the show and other things. But I want to touch this real quick. This couldn't be more true, because when I have ever jumped into a trade with no sort of game plan, the problem becomes emotion/greed, or just not knowing when. I
actually do better when I don't have a plan.
What?
Yeah. Every time I've been
not a good strategy.
But I'm just telling you what's been working for me. Every time I've been super profitable, I had 0 plan. Every time I have a plan, the minute things start going against what your plan is, right? Start freaking out. Right? You're like, oh, it's not going there. It's not going to my objective. Oh, it's starting to turn back. Let me move up my stop loss. Oh, snap. Wait, hold on. It falls apart.
So just set up the trade and walk away from it effectively is what you're saying. You just pray for the best.
Not walk away. I like to watch the trade. I'm just saying I don't have a plan, right? Like yesterday, I'm going to share my screen here and go a little bit through this here.
And TJ, I'm going to answer your question in just a minute, but go ahead, Crusader.
Yeah. So yesterday, right? Yesterday, after the massive dump, when the day closed from trading, Bitcoin came all the way down here to 35.7, bounced from here, right? I saw that it was starting to create a little uptrend. I jumped into a trade somewhere around here. I don't remember exactly when. On my phone, jumped in right on my personal account. Boom! It took off. Low leverage. It took off. I was up like $80, almost $100, and then obviously some family issues came up. I was like, "Oh man, I can't watch this trade anymore," and I jumped out. So I took my $80 of profit and I ran with it, and I was fine with it. I've been more profitable at doing little scalps like that with no plan of like, well, it needs to hit this level, and it needs
So
to
you're looking
bounce
for
off
an
of here.
opportunity. You're saying you're just looking for an opportunity and then pulling.
Yeah, I just jump in when I see a trend forming, and I go, okay, trend is forming. I'm gonna ride that trend, and when it goes up, I take profit wherever I feel comfortable taking profit, and then leave it alone. But if I start saying, well, look, right here, hey, it came down to this level, right? We're gonna rotate the range all the way to the top. This is where I'm gonna jump in. I jumped in around here, came up, came down, came up, came all the way down, got stopped out like 4 times, never worked out, and then boom, blasted off
God
anyways,
can
right?
see ya.
And it's like, damn, man. It's like
So
every time I have these plans,
maybe we learn from that, right?
they don't work out for me.
Maybe just doing small, being okay with making $100, making $80, making $50, making $30, making
My
$60.
personal rules of trading is make $100 in the day and then stop trading. I violate these rules every single time.
Here's my rules that I don't follow.
Yeah, here
I
are
want to be clear to
my
everybody.
2 rules. Make $100, take profit, and stop trading. These are what I do. I make $100.
I lose 200.
I don't take profit, and then if I don't take profit, right, I lose it all. I jump back into another trade. I'm up $100. I take profit. I'm like, damn, I'm a goat. I'm the best trader there's ever been. I'm jumping into another trade, and then I lose $300, and I'm like, smack them, holy guacamole, and I lose it all.
Bro, the thing is though, is that the TA that we've been learning from Magic, from Army, from CVO,
works, bro.
from freaking Crypto Face, from everybody on the show, right? They all have different things that they do.
It works. We just suck.
We screw it up.
We're the problem.
Yeah, like legitimately, if you look at the common denominator in all of the things that you just said, were that you made a decision, whereas like it came in, you were up in profit, you had an opportunity to follow the game plan, and you didn't. And that's ultimately what I have always done. That's why I like the idea of you checking it out, you executing, and then you say, hey, keeper, I need your expert advice. And then you pull it up on the screen, and I say, how much in profit are we? And I say, pull it, like yesterday when you're
$600,
and I was telling you, take it,
$740.
Listen, chat, this man is up over $700, 100%, and I'm on the phone pleading with him to listen. He can't even lie about it. I'm pleading with him. Bail. That is a great freaking trade. No, baby, get rich or die trying. Get rich or die. Oh,
doesn't show it.
Get rich or die trying, baby. And I'm like, bro, oh my God.
That's right, baby. Get rich or die
if
trying.
You guys could see the backside, like if you could see some of the phone call, that's what we should do. We should just do the show, run it 24 hours a day. And with the amount that we end up talking on the phone, working through business stuff, that would be the show, because
David got a little taste of that.
Ever.
David last Friday when he came on the show got a little taste of what happens in the background.
A little backstage. I think he jumped in it at an interesting time too. He was probably like thinking like, what in the hell what did I just jump into? I'm not so sure what's going on up in here. Hey, I want to hit somebody's question real quick. TJ, first of all, everybody smash the likes, make sure the bell notifications are on. Listen, Crypto Wars we're doing our thing. We are continuing to press forward into trading. We're having fun with trading. We're doing something different than anybody else is doing. We're having fun with our game show. We're doing all this cool stuff, but we also still have to be careful. So TJ, your question is, just curious, why not let them trade under $1 billion market cap? Here's the reason, TJ. Ultimately, we have a little organization called the SEC. And they don't take very well. Ultimately, it's not so much the SEC. It can look like we are pumping bags. If we have 5 influencers, 4 influencers, whatever, on a stream, you could make the argument that we had a conversation backstream or backstage. Hey, this is the token that we're going after. And then we pump that token, and we're not here for that. Like, we're just not. And so there's going to be no accusations at $1 billion market cap, because we can't move that market.
That's right. We're a bunch of brokies.
That's it. So ultimately, trust me, we would love. It would make the show even more engaging.
It'd be super fun to trade
if we
meme
could,
coins
but dude, I just don't
and
know
once
how
it's
to
shit coins.
chat. If you guys have a way that you could think that we could do that, let us know. If there is a way for us to do it organically, then cool. Like, we would at least have the conversation, because it really would be fun. The only way that I can think, Crusader, is if the chat started throwing in, but then it's almost like the chat's front loading their own bag. Like, you know
Yeah,
what I'm
it just
saying?
doesn't
Like,
work out because
ugh.
a lot of the traders that come on here have trading groups, right? There's maybe a few hundred people in there, whatever it is. And if they all can coordinate and be like, hey, we're going to trade this today on the show, everybody go
Yeah,
long or everybody go short.
it's just dangerous,
It's just
dude.
no, yeah,
It's a slippery
it's not
slope.
worth. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a slippery slope, and
With
ultimately,
great
one thing
power
you
comes great
yeah,
responsibility.
one thing that you guys will always get from us is just 100% open and honesty, and so that's just not a smart play for us to do, because something could happen totally organically, and people start saying, "Oh, it was organic. Are you sure?" You know what I mean? And it just looks bad. So
Yeah, it's not bueno. Look at
yeah.
this baby. We're pumping. Oh no, we're dumping.
David said it went well, and y'all got to see my wife's medications and the trash and recycle bin. Oh, when he
I didn't
flipped
even
his
notice
camera,
that.
it was when he flipped his camera around on accident. He did it, you know
Oh,
what I mean?
oh,
He
oh, yeah,
flopped
yeah.
the camera the back way. Yeah. So,
Man, so this
okay.
trade that we're in, right? We're trading the breakout of the daily range here, or the previous day range. We kind of got in a little bit above the actual level, so we're somewhere around this price point of 37.2 is where we're at. But the whole goal here is to break this weekly open and pump this bad boy up. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to get. I mean, we're kind of consolidating here. Meanwhile, we hold this level, it's good.
Mhm.
But man, I'm getting nervous. All these retests. I don't want us to cut down. I want us
Yeah.
to go up.
Yeah. You retest something to the downside enough times, and it will generally, as a rule, break down. You retest something as if you retest it as support enough times, a lot of times it's going to break through. If you retest it as resistance enough times, at some point it's going to break through. So, you know, definitely that. So, hey, let's talk about a couple things. First of all, you have been a big proponent of the ETF making things just wild, right?
Yep.
And I have
Super cycle,
said,
baby.
while I'm supportive and I think that it's going to do really well, I've also said, hey, you got to realize that when the big boys come to play, they start playing big boy games. And so I found an interesting article I want to show you guys real quick that are kind of showing like a couple things that could possibly be disadvantages to the spot ETF. And I thought this was interesting because one of them in particular was exactly what I was saying. It says 3 disadvantages of spot exchange, basically the spot ETF approval. Okay. So right here, according to Hoover, crypto ETFs make it easier to build potentially market moving positions off chain without transparency or timely data availability, as occurred with the now defunct crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital in 2022. He noted that ETFs add leverage and thus increase market volatility. So let's talk about that first. So effectively, what he's saying is they are able to do a lot because they're doing these cash. What's it called again, Crusader? The cash.
The cash creates.
The cash creates, and they're
That's what they're
making them
calling it.
do. They're making them do these cash creates. So there's things basically happening off chain in the background where they're loading up, and to be able to do these things, they need to have leverage. They need to they've got loans and a bunch of other stuff that it's happening in the background. We have market makers doing this, so they are prepared and they are able to effectively manipulate or be prepared to manipulate some of these markets. And like I said, big boy ETFs come in and big boy games start to get played. This is one of my main concerns. Not so much that it's not going to make the price blast off, but that a lot of newer people to crypto might be taken hostage in a situation where, oh, the ETF's approved, it's gone, baby, we're going to the moon, baby, let's go. And then all of a sudden we do this, boom, 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 and we're getting higher, but the volatility is so crazy that it's scaring people out of these markets, especially newer people that aren't used to it. And now you have, I don't know. It's just a concern of mine. I don't think that it'll get too wild just because it's going to scare maybe some of the old school people that are getting in with their 1% of their portfolio or whatever. So
There's like
I do
$1
think
billion.
there's a balance there where they're going to play the games, but have to be a little bit careful about it because of the people that are coming in and how
there's
that
always
money's
going to
coming
be
in.
volatility, right? Everyone wants volatility because volatility is where the money's at. If price doesn't move and you're like buying XRP or gold, right? You're kind of stuck in the same price point forever and you make no money. You don't lose any money, but you don't make any money either. And that's not what they want. They want to make money. Um, so yeah, maybe they do add a little bit of volatility to one side or the other. But I honestly believe, like you said, right, the old school money's coming in. The old school money doesn't really care for volatility because they're already mega rich. They just want to preserve and continuously grow their wealth,
Yeah,
right?
touche.
So they're not looking for home runs like we are. So I think that, like you said, they're gonna have to play a very fine line game where how much volatility they actually introduce
Are they
because
okay with?
a lot of this stuff is going to go into pensions, 401ks, right? Very long term DCA investing strategies for retirement. So they can't be pumping to 200K and then dumping it down to 20K, right? Like they can't be
Okay,
doing that kind of stuff.
I did not
Uh,
suggest that.
right? Because
200K and we wake up the
I
next
mean,
morning at 25.
the crypto market has been is volatile on its own already. Now we're adding these big players, and well, they can add a whole lot more volatility, right? They can pump
Mhm,
it extremely hard, they can dump it extremely hard, but I
of
don't
course.
think that'd be good business for them in the long term. I think this is like the baptism for Bitcoin here, getting these ETFs where it's going to become legitimized. It's now going to be on Wall Street. Old money is
Yeah,
going to be kicking in,
yeah.
and yeah, could be volatile, but I don't think they're going to try to break that 4-year cycle model if it is a thing after this. I think there is a possibility that the 4-year cycle is over after this
Let's
ETF approval.
So you think the 4-year cycle is over after this ETF approval? Drop in the chat. Drop a 1 if you think market volatility is going to increase as a result of the ETF, and drop a 2 if you think that market volatility is going to either stay the same or decrease. I'm really interested to see what the chat
So
thinks
I was
there,
about to get excited and say we're pumping, but
but we're
it was
not.
short lived.
Also, Hoover emphasized that settlements need to be clarified, knowing the ETF settle in basically 2+ business days, unlike digital assets that settle in minutes. Hence, accommodating this timing gap requires leverage, like I was just talking about, borrowing, financing, used today in cash creating ETFs with some non-US holdings. Here's the one I didn't fully understand, Crusader, that they brought up. And maybe you understand it, or maybe somebody in the chat can drop it to me because I don't really understand what they're suggesting here. But they said for performance and tracking reasons, most of the Bitcoin, ETH, etc., will be bought on Coinbase, right? Increasing market concentration. He considers such imbalance in market concentration a sizable risk in a crypto market where significant friction prevents easy selection of trading counterparties. Why are they going to care if Coinbase is the chosen one and that's where a lot
Yep.
of this is going to be purchased? Why do they care about the counterparty friction of other places to buy the assets? I don't know why that would even. Am I being stupid here and uneducated, or what am I
Yeah,
missing?
I don't
Do
know,
you know?
man. That plays into the whole Binance thing too, right? Like maybe that's why they needed Binance to get out of the way. Like, hey, you know, we're BlackRock, we're using Coinbase. They're not gonna get Bitcoin anywhere else. Get out of here.
Uh,
I don't know.
David says it potentially allows for additional market manipulation. I could totally see that for sure, having it all, concentrated in one spot, and that,
Yeah.
because think about when we go on to, let's say, ZoomX, and you pick, your trading pair or whatever, and then it asks you when you're looking at it, what exchange are you trying to, or on TradingView or whatever, it's asking what exchange numbers are you trying to look at. And if you look at Coinbase after this goes live versus some of the other assets, you might get extremely different looking markets. I could see that too. I don't know how that would ultimately. I don't know how that would ultimately play out, other than what David was just suggesting, which maybe is some volatility. So, I guess what I'm getting at is there are also things that are happening in these markets that could definitely, with the ETF, that might not just be up and to the right. That's really what I've been suggesting the whole time.
Well, yeah, not forever, right? Bitcoin's not gonna just shoot up forever, ever and ever and ever, never come back down. There's gonna be pullbacks.
Well, if
There's
it's
gonna
not, I'm
be
taking my ball and going home. I need it to go up and to the right exponentially forever. Never a red candle again. Just green candles, baby.
I mean, if you zoom out, it's pretty much green all the way through.
Yeah, you zoom out far enough for sure. Chat.
Let's go, baby. We pumping now. Let's go.
Like, let me check in on this trade. Where are we at? We pumping. Are we up $4 on a $20,000 trade?
No, baby. Look at this green candle. This thing just started taking off, baby. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
That resistance.
Okay.
We're up $45 right now.
Okay.
Up 10%, baby. Let's go. Come on.
We're up 10%. So let's talk about this. We're up 10%. So when the $20,000 trade, for everybody who doesn't recognize, there's obviously leverage involved.
Oh no. Go back up. Come on.
Keep going, baby.
No. I don't want to see that big wick up there. No. That's not good.
No, it's not. That usually means we're about to have a
no.
Yeah. We'll just go green.
They're hunting me. They're hunting me
no
again,
red,
bro.
no red.
Oh
green,
no,
baby, green.
Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
Oh boy. Oh, they're stop hunting. So yeah, I want to throw out there that when we're trading like this, and people are talking about having a game plan with what you're doing, there is a great way to be able to exponentially increase your gains, as long as you're willing to greatly increase the amount of control you have over the amount of your account that you put in, combined with your actual real deal risk tolerance. So we could go 100x on freaking small numbers all day long and lose. And then when you win, there's so many different strategies at hand that are available for you to use. I think it's when you don't go in with any sort of a game plan as per that, and we just jump around. I'll take some money here. I'll take some money here. I lost it. I think that's where I see potential, where we just set a rule. We do this size of a trade, this much profits, or at least we slide, you know what I mean? Slide it on up, like I was telling you yesterday. Slide it on up.
Let's go, baby. Come on, break that. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Come on. We need
break that. Come on, here we go.
Okay, that's the previous. Is that the previous?
That's the week open.
That's the
where
week
the price
open. I see it. I see it.
Right. We came above it earlier today.
Dude, look at that. It taps it. I mean, it might blast through it, but I'm saying it's crazy how well the TA. Sure. It's crazy sometimes how well the TA. I mean, it tapped that, and then it said, "Let me back up for a second," and now it's like, "Yeah, we're gonna possibly blast through." I know we're on a low time.
Last time we were up here, we hit it. We went up like 3 candles and then came right back down. Massive. Yeah. Look at this massive retracement from there.
Yeah.
Now we're coming up, right? We're building a little bit of a upward trend here, as you can see here, a little upward trend motion going on, kind of like a sideways head and shoulders, kind of getting invalidated here. It looked like this could have been a head and shoulders. There you go, baby. Let's get it. Come on, let's break this top right here. We break this 37,400. Oh, come on,
baby. We're off to the races, baby. Let's go.
At least to the previous day high. Come on,
smash those likes. If you have not already, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. We've got pinned in the chat our ZoomX link. Somebody else is going to win another $1,000 this month. Somebody won $1,000 last month. If you guys want to come on the show for Flip or Hodl, $1,945 is on the line. Drop that. Excuse me, I just got sidetracked. I just totally got sidetracked. Forget it. Just forget it.
Bet.
We'll talk about that later.
I can only imagine.
And yeah, drop the super chats, guys. We are putting names on the wheel. $1,945. Your boys at Crypto Wars are planning on putting in their own liquidity for this next round. So if you guys are interested in coming on and playing, drop the super chats or buy an NFT. You got a 25% chance of flat out coming on the show and spinning the wheel by buying the NFT. Crusader, show. Okay, there's the NFTs are 0.1 ETH for those of you that
that's right.
That are
Oh no! Oh no!
Woo!
Oh man, come on, hold support, baby, hold support. Don't do this to me now.
We need some Viagra. Come on, Bitcoin Viagra. Let's go, baby.
Oh god, we're getting reverse signals here from ChartPrime. We're getting a red dot on market side, but it's not looking good, bro.
We need the chart to take some Viagra. Bitcoin Viagra.
It's the 1 minute. Let's jump out. 3 minutes still looking good. 3 minutes still looking. Okay, we're going. We're going on the 3 minute, baby. Come on.
Crypto Billy throwing the super chat. Thank you, Billy. Billy said, I'll take a few more. Thank you for the super chat, Billy. We appreciate you, brother. We will add you on
put him
here.
on the wheel,
Crypto
baby.
Billy. Crypto Billy's got a bunch on there, I think, on this one, too.
That's right. He wants to be
Appreciate the
sure he's
support
on the
as
show.
always. We'd love to bring Billy on. Billy's a good friend of the show. I mean, we love to bring anybody on, but it's also fun having the longtime members. So if you guys are not already involved in all of that, get involved. Now, Crusader, trade is moving in our direction. We love that. Got a $20,000 trade going.
We got room to run on the 5 minute.
Okay.
We got room to run.
I like it.
Let me check the 15 minute here.
We're not overbought right now, are we? Oh, we're
on the 15 minute. We've already came down a little bit on the overbought, so we have a little bit of room to run back up again on the 15 minute. 5 minutes looking good. 3 minute looking okay. Meanwhile we hold. We can kind of go sideways a little bit here. Maybe even come down to this point right here of 37,350. But we can't break it. Almost looks like a little double bottom situation. We broke the neckline. We're pumping, but we just got to hold this whole weekly open, baby. Let's not lose it. Come on, hold it.
We need to hold the weekly open for sure.
20 seconds. We got 20 seconds on the 3 minute. Come on, baby, hold that bad boy. Come on.
We need to tap the weekly
open.
Here
we go. Come on.
Here we go.
Go. Come on. Just break that 37,447.
Right here, baby. Tap that keeper. That's what I'm saying. Right there. Just tap it. Just tap it. Just tap it.
Yeah.
Just tap it. Just tap it. And then go in hard.
Yeah.
Bang it. Bang it out.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, DV. Thank you for DV, thank you for the super chat. What are you grunting over there? DV, thank you for the super chat. Said
someone's gonna be grunting when
when that execution that I was just speaking of happens.
When Exhibit A, Exhibit B.
We've got everybody confused right now. But DV, thank you for the super chat.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Viagra, engage.
Come on.
Crusader, how's the trade looking? I obviously see that we're moving up, but where are we at right now?
We are up $75, baby, 17%.
Right.
Let's
good. I like it. Now,
I've
only pay close attention here.
$265 today, so
yeah, but don't pay attention to the $300 lost today.
Let's go. We're breaking it.
We're breaking
it. Come on, let's stay up there. Oh no, we're getting overbought. Come on, no. Go back. Okay, bro, seriously here, we can probably have a little retest, come back down, cool off a little bit on the weekly open.
Talk yourself into whatever you need to. You're on a 1 minute.
Let's go, baby. Look at this thing. Right, look at this thing, bro. It's almost like if I know what I'm doing. It's almost like if
now let's see if you can listen to me, like we've talked about. And
what are you talking about? What are you talking about? No. Don't start saying that kind of negativity around here. I don't need that kind of negativity. No. $91, baby. We're up $91, 20%.
That's listen.
Okay.
Everybody in the chat.
If
you no. I'm just speaking to the chat. I'm not speaking to you right now. Chat. If you are up 20% in a trade, as a general rule, you are killing it. Congratulations. Take some profits.
But if you're
not telling Crusader, if you're Crusader,
you're getting rich.
Don't ever do that, because I mean, got to get rich or die trying.
That's right.
Let's just whack the whole account, lose all our money.
That's right.
Live on. Listen, come to Crypto Wars and watch Crusader and Keeper beef over taking profit.
Dude, this thing's about to blast off. It's about to blast off. I can feel it in my bones. It's just gonna move. Just gonna. Oh,
and don't trade on feelings, but we're here for it. Hey, if you guys have not signed up, we do have the link. I know we're having fun today. It's the day before Thanksgiving. Crusader's all amped up about all the freaking steak.
Bro, I'm just out here out trading your entire team. I'm just gonna not recruit a team for season 3. It's just gonna
be Team Crusader. But the problem would be, bro, you gotta actually take profits to win.
I do take. Yesterday on the show, I made $140 taking profits on the show yesterday, and I out traded your team.
I will remind you yet again. I told you to take profits at $700 up yesterday on the trade, and you told me to pound sand.
The competition.
You told me to pound sand on $700.
I only take profits in the competition because I need a win. But when it's just me trying to get rich, I don't need to take profits.
That makes a whole lot of sense.
Of course it does. My target is 39K, baby, and I'm not going to take profit until we hit there.
Well, I would love to see. I would love to see.
Up $102. Up $102.
We're moving in the right direction, baby.
We're moving.
Listen, I'm going to let it get a little bit higher with the leverage we're at, and then I'm going to
a little bit higher.
Move it into profit.
No. Let's not get crazy now. Let's not get crazy.
You guys see what I deal with here.
Let's not get crazy.
The stop into profit. He says, let's not get crazy.
to our initial buy-in, so that if it does break below, we lose.
Billy wants to know. Billy wants to know what the VWAP's doing. He says he can't see it.
Okay. Oh no. Yeah, we're way above the VWAP here, baby. We are. Let me tell you, the VWAP is all the way down here, and we're all the way up here. We are on literally the third layer of the VWAP. We are on the overbought territory, possibly going to be rebounding to the downside. But 39K is coming, so those rules don't matter. Those rules don't matter.
Yeah. Crusader gets these ideas in his head that it's going to this number. And if it doesn't, I get the phone call later that it was supposed to, bro. It was supposed to do it.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you.
And Bitcoin is hunting my trades.
Bitcoin breaks all the rules every single time. If you follow the rules, you're never going to make the big time money.
We got a $700 billion market cap chasing after Crusader's $20,000
Everything
trade,
right now
really matters to them.
Look, dude, everything right now says it's going to dump. But I'm telling you, it's not going to. I'm telling you, it's not going to.
I've got Confluence on 3 different areas that say this is going to dump, but I'm telling you it's not. That wick better slow down. If that wick turns into,
bro,
okay.
I'm telling you,
I'm with it, bro. We're both making money right now. I like it.
I love it.
You know I'm rooting
for
all
the hard work.
I just want to actually.
But you're like, hey, I'm here for the paycheck.
I'm here for the paycheck. I'm trying to help us collect it by telling you to take profits. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna reach into the account right now and sign you out of ZoomX. I'm gonna sign myself back in, and I'm gonna go ahead and take profits live on the stream. You're gonna be like, what happened here?
Oh no!
And
look,
I'm gonna X you right out.
The word profits, and you're dumping the chart, my friend.
I'm gonna X you right out.
Those are voodoo words. Do not say that here. You don't say the word profits here, but you scare the chart, and it starts coming back the other way.
We better start blowing on the mic again because we need this to continue.
There
we go. Come on, baby. Green, green, green. Oh, Crypto fam, we're on another level today.
Do we have another chart? I mean, another chart. Another.
Yeah, we do.
Essay or whatever it is that we're going.
Another essay. Let's like we're in school right now. Yeah, we've got an essay we need to touch here right quick.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, let's talk about. I want to actually ask you about. Let me see here. I've got it pulled up. I think it's right here. Okay. What do you think CZ is going to get prison time? I'm about to pull this up in a second.
Wait, bro. Is
he going to get prison time?
You can call. Oh, it's going, baby. You can call it prison time. We're going back over here, but it's just going to be a 5-year vacation. Worst case scenario. He's going to go to the fanciest.
Well, that's the most
jails.
He can get.
Right.
That's the most he gets. 5 years.
And
they're letting him keep majority control of his freaking company. So they obviously are going to be lenient with him, or they wouldn't let him do that.
Yeah, he's gonna Jordan Belfort this thing, Wolf on Wall Street, just like go to the fanciest jails,
he's gonna be smoking cigars and getting prostitutes,
eating raw salmon for breakfast, right? Smoked salmon and poached eggs and all this stuff.
Smoked salmon and hookers.
He's gonna be having a great time for 5 years, and then come back out, be richer than ever because all his crypto holdings are gonna be continuously pumping. So he just fast forwarded his.
Oh, you mean they're not gonna let him live trade? They're not gonna let him execute trades within the prison walls?
And this is just assuming he doesn't even escape to China that has no extradition, and then he doesn't even have to go to jail.
Yeah, I think, and I know what you're suggesting, but I think that he would have never showed up in the District of Washington to face the charge. If they wouldn't have let him, if they wouldn't have made it clear to him that, hey, we're going to be super lenient on you, you're going to pay a hefty fine because it was like $4 billion or whatever, right? I think that he would never showed up if they wouldn't have made it really clear that he was going to be lenient on it, right?
Or he just showed up to say, hey, I don't care. You're still not gonna catch me. Now we're turning around.
Let's touch this chat right here. I like this one. Miguel called NFTs a scam. That was a long time ago. But yes, that happened. Then he launched NFTs. Then he said, don't FOMO in on trades. Now he's FOMOing in with emotion. Next, this is what's happening, baby. He's going to become an XRP raving fan. I love it, Billy.
You see, that's where the misconstruction is, right? This is not emotional. This is logical. I am portraying you guys emotion so it's not boring to watch. But I came into the trade before the show even started. I knew this thing was going to come up. So I jumped into my trade because I'm a god at trading here, bro. I don't take profits because I don't want to take profits. I don't want to bankrupt.
Don't want to ruin the fun for everybody else. Yeah, don't want to ruin everybody else's.
That's right.
Fun.
I don't want to ruin other people's fun, bro, in their days by taking all their liquidity.
Yeah.
But this is all planned out, man. This is all logical. Let's go. No, come on.
All part of the plan.
back up. Come on.
All part of the plan. Crypto fam, if you haven't already smashed the like, we got about 75 people in here. We know it's Wednesday. It's right before Thanksgiving. You know, everybody's got their family plans. People are traveling, whatever. But make sure that you have the bell notification set. If you're looking to come on the show and play Flipper Hodl, well, just as a reminder, we're still taking super chats for that. We've got a number of names on the wheel. Somebody's going to win that. Somebody's going to get to come on. $1,945 is going to be the next game. Also, if you haven't bought one of our NFTs, we have sold a number of them. I'm not sure where we're at right now, but they're 0.1 Ethereum. 3 of the 12 are going to give you an automatic entry, not an entry. And it's not your name is going to go on the wheel. You're going to come on the show.
Sure, for sure.
You're literally coming on the show for sure. So 3 of the 12 are going to give you that. And then one of the, you're going to get 25% of the mint if you pick the winning trader. And you're going to get all sorts of crazy stuff from whatever trader does actually win. I know Army Piper is offering just an insane amount of stuff, dude.
Killer package.
I almost, you know, am rooting for him, even though he's on your team, because I want to see somebody.
Let's go, baby. It's coming back up. Come
I
on.
want to see somebody get what Army's offering because it's a freaking lot.
Dude. It's great what he's offering. I don't know what everyone else is offering, but I know I've heard his offering. It's been amazing.
Well, I've heard great offers from everybody. I've heard great offers from everybody.
Look at this thing, baby. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Telling me it's emotional, man. This is all part of the plan.
Now here's the real question: do I have to make you exit the trade live on the
bro?
stream?
We're already in profit. I put my stop loss up here so you can stop crying about it. I just don't say it because it scares the charts, bro. It scares the charts.
Thank you. Finally, we get Crusader to do something sane on the show.
All I do is sane moves, bro. Come on.
Insane sometimes, but you know,
insanely profitable.
And say, well, listen, let that baby keep running. Let it run to the freaking moon, and we will cash out. And I'll kick my feet up on the beach with my old fashioned, baby.
We're getting a green dot. That's old fashions are good. We're getting a green dot.
I gotta go with an old fashioned. I started thinking about it, and I didn't know that there was coconut in a freaking Mai Tai, and I hate coconut. So I was always saying, I'm gonna kick up my feet on the beach with a freaking Mai Tai. I don't know. It just sounded like a beachy drink. And then I found out.
Dude, we're up 119 bucks, 27% on this trade, baby.
I love it.
Bro.
I love it.
Do I even need a team to trade, bro? I'm just going to start trading for my teams to bring our P&Ls back up.
Yeah, it's definitely what needs to happen. You should definitely just go ahead and
up 120 bucks, baby. Up 120 bucks. Let's go. I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Oh, baby. Here we go. Look at this thing. Come on.
Crypto fam, you guys realize that I deal with this every day. So just pray for me.
That's right. His problem is he deals with a business partner that makes him money every single day. That's his problem. I just make us
exactly what I was thinking. Exactly what I was thinking.
$142, baby.
Let's go, baby. Listen, I'm all for it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. A1 says so as you're watching the Bitcoin chart rock out like it's taken Viagra, A1 says CZ's not going to prison at all. He only got fined. He will pay it and will be fine. Besides, his charges are not like SBF and turned himself in and probably signed a deal already. Okay. I agree with that. I agree with that too, but I do want to tell you he is facing up to 5 years. Like that's there. Yeah, it's not like the charges aren't there. He could,
but in reality,
that won't happen.
If you
I think he's going to get
some
heavy. What's the word I'm looking for? House arrest. Yeah, that's what I think. Now I don't know if they can. I don't know where he's going to do house arrest, but he's got
in China
gobs of freaking money, so it doesn't really matter.
Whatever mansion, he can pick any plot of land and just be like, build me a mansion there. He's like Pablo Escobar of the 21st century. He's just like, boom, right there, build me a mansion.
He's going to build his own prison. You know that story, right?
Yeah.
Like literally built his own prison and the government agreed to let the man build his own prison on his terms.
He was the warden of his own prison, bro.
That is savage. He was the warden of his own prison. Yes. And that's exactly what's happening. David says that he's watching on the 1 and 5 second chart. It's entertaining. I feel like I would be going insane watching a 1 and 5 second chart. I don't know how Jason Casper does that. The 1 minute chart is is enough entertainment for me, let alone a 5-second chart.
The 5-second, I don't know how they do that. That's
it's
madness.
just absolute insanity.
But we're going for it, baby. We're going for that previous day high. Come on.
See, but hold on. A1 said 5 years, right? But SBF's looking at 125. That's my point. Well, listen.
But look,
he didn't rug anybody.
Difference. Exactly, right? FTX fully rugged, fully went bankrupt, lost billions of dollars.
Lots of billions of dollars.
Binance is just there like, oh,
Binance
billion?
just kind of had a little money laundering going. I mean, what's a little money laundering between friends? You know what I mean? Like,
compared to like everyone else that's been money laundering, they're like, dude, that's nothing. That's
a little money laundering between friends. No big deal.
Freaking, there's literally nothing. He didn't rug pull anybody. He's got all the money. He's like, you want $4 billion, bro? Here's $4 billion. You want $5 billion? Here's $5 billion, baby. Take it all. I don't care. We're rich over here.
Nat Singer says the 30-second chart is magic for scalps.
Well, we're not in a scalp. Let me tell you, we are in a massive long.
We are.
Baby, come on! Don't turn on me now, baby. Don't turn on me. Don't even look bad.
A nice little long. It's been going well.
I'm telling you, bro. Everything's saying dump. 5 minute, 15 minute. Everything's saying dump. But it's
and
just
at some point when you have confluence, excuse me, on dump.
15 minutes says green dot.
I won't even say the word.
5 minute. Still saying overbought. Kind of turning around, but dude, there's just there's some things happening for Bitcoin that they say I don't care. Remember, markets can stay very irrational for a very long time. Like we're at a very small time period, 3 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute. These trades are usually a longer swing trade thing, and it can be very overbought, and it can still just
they can still continue
pumping.
to move.
Yeah, just keep on moving to the upside.
Matthew Barnes said Coinbase stock is up. Wonder why. I don't know if that's a smart ass answer or not, but
wonder why. We just killed the competition, baby. It's just us now.
That's right. That's right. Of course, that's why it's up. And also with the article that we were reading earlier, Coinbase is the chosen one for a lot of the ETF transactions that need to happen. So that is going to change things dramatically as well. It was saying that a lot of the on-chain action has to happen through Coinbase,
Coinbase is going to be the custody. They hold the largest supply of Bitcoin.
I know they do, like and they are the even though they were quote unquote in trouble with the SEC before, they're kind of the blessed one as it relates to the crypto markets over here. 1 minute
is cooling off. The 1 minute is cooling off. Could see another move up to the upside here. But 3 minutes still not as cooled off.
How about while we're watching this play out towards the end of the show, how about the gaslighting that was happening? I feel like we actively get gaslit by our government on a regular basis. The gaslighting that was going on yesterday during that press conference, if you want to call it that. It's not a press conference. It is a conference to see how many dumb people you can manipulate. That's effectively what happened. Like it just is. It's like, hey, how many people are just going to listen to what we say and believe it with no thought process behind it? It's kind of like the fog around the world, right?
Yep.
We're going to push everybody around. We're going to tell them what they have to do. And this is why. We're going to advertise the hell out of it. And then we'll see how many people just jump in on it. When I love what Forrest said yesterday, dude. He said ultimately the whole Binance thing is taking market share as this ETF comes up. And now we see in these articles, hey, Coinbase is the chosen one. Oh, who just got absolutely hammered? Binance, their biggest freaking competitor. It's
gonna be all BlackRock and Coinbase, baby. That's where all the Bitcoin's gonna be.
I just really struggle with. We have so much information nowadays, and it's hard to be quiet about the fact that we see right in your face how much corruption there is, and no one will do it. Let's just talk about. Everybody's talked about it a million times, but let's talk about Nancy Pelosi. What the most profitable trader on planet Earth? She makes $100 and something thousand a year, and she's worth who knows how many millions. And she's made tens of millions of dollars on trading, and she's trading stocks that she directly has decision making.
The SEC doesn't investigate. The SEC doesn't investigate any of those people, right? Where all these politicians becoming rich off a 200 to 300,000 salary, becoming mega rich and trading all these stocks, and then passing laws that then affect these companies and buying their stocks ahead of time or dumping their stocks ahead of time. None of that, requires an investigation to protect the investor. No. You know, but poor old CZ. I call racial profiling on that one.
Hey, I want to show you something real quick. I'm going to share my screen. Billy just hold on a second. Billy said, "Hey, Keeper, check out my trade on XNA," which I've never even heard of before. But
who's that?
I don't know, but I will
no,
tell
it's not
you,
looking good for us, baby. Oh no,
I will tell you that this chart that Billy is talking about, Nurai, I guess apparently, has
18 million
absolutely
market cap.
freaking exploded. So shout out to Billy. I don't know what Billy. My phone didn't ring, bro. That's what I want to say. My phone didn't ring. Didn't get a heads up,
bro.
We're used to being coddled here, Billy. The influencers get coddled. Okay, we get the heads up, and I'm just wondering why I didn't get coddled on this one.
Then why the hell aren't we rich yet?
I know.
I'm out here penny pinching everything to pay a damn bill over here, and we're supposed to get call outs. What?
Yeah,
we're moving to the upside. Come on, baby. Break that 30. Oh, here we go.
Did you tell me it went from to not looking good? And now
it wasn't looking good.
Here we go.
But now it's looking good again.
How are we looking?
Dude, we are up $152, 35%.
Dude, let's go.
Let's get it, baby. It's almost like I know how to fucking trade.
Almost. Now, what we're going to find out is if you know how to listen to your boy here.
Just shout out to Leading Crypto Magic and CVO for teaching me what I know. You are the crystal ball masters of TA.
The crystal ball masters. If only we had an actual
I literally texted CVO yesterday before the show started with the DOJ thing. I was like, hey, bro, this thing's happening. Binance happening. I think there might be a dump, but take that into consideration when you look at your crystal ball.
And he said, screw that. Right?
And he's like, 39K, baby. That's where we're going.
Yeah, he does not. He won't look at the news.
I mean, they're smart. They know what they're doing.
He will not look at the news. You know what I mean?
Come on, baby. Tap that. Dude, come on. Let's get it. I mean, you imagine the next 4 minutes we hit this previous day high.
I mean, it's looking good. I like it. I like it. We're $156 on the trade since more than that, because when the show started, I think we were down.
We were down a bit.
So
$20 or something.
Definitely looking good throughout the
it's
stream
moving
today.
It's moving.
And we're still moving up.
No.
Let's keep it rocking. Shout out to listen.
It's working.
Smash that like button if you haven't already. We've just been having some fun today, getting ready for Turkey Day. I hope everybody has a freaking fantastic day with their families tomorrow, by the way. Chat. Let me know if is anybody do anything wild on Turkey Day that's like I want to know, chat. Does anyone do anything strange on Thanksgiving? Like any strange like family traditions is what I'm asking.
Except for like fight for your life and survive and see, whoever wins the battle leads the family for the next year.
Actually, this year, because I'm fighting in karate combat, I told everyone in my family that we are going to fist fight over who gets the front of the line. And so it'll be just good practice knocking out my sisters, my brother-in-laws, my dad, my mom, whoever gets in the way. I mean,
can you elbow? Can you throw elbows in karate combat?
You can throw knees.
No elbows.
No elbows.
Okay. I thought so. I hadn't seen anybody throwing elbows. Like, do these guys not know how to throw elbows?
Yeah.
I was wondering.
Crypto Pollo says, I eat chicken. I know it's strange. Well, your name is Crypto Pollo. So I'm just going to throw out there that maybe it's not that strange. RS Miller says, Christmas lights are up already. Well, I own a lighting company that does all year round lighting that actually matches the fascia of your house. So you can't see it. You would never know it's there. It's on it. Also has an app with it. I can do literally every single holiday. I got lights going on my house. I mean, freaking, Valentine's Day, baby. The house is lit up pink and red. You know what I mean? We got every single holiday. We do our thing. So I actually really like it, because guess what? I don't ever have to climb up on a ladder and put up lights.
Well, because you got
I got my bougie lights. What's that?
Because you got servants that do it for you. I mean, employees.
Servants, not employees. Servants.
Like, climb that ladder.
I actually help.
Oh, we're moving, baby. We're moving. We're breaking up. Come on. We're gonna tap that previous day high on the show, baby. Come on.
I love it.
We're up $166, baby. Up 39%.
Okay. Crusader, here, let's do it in front of the stream.
Don't say it. No. Don't say the word.
I'm not going to say the word. I'm not going to say the word. I'm going to say this.
Man. Don't scare
I'm going to say this. $100. That's what I'm going to say.
God, see, they already went red. It just said that.
$100. That's all.
We're in profit. My stop loss is in profit. I don't know if it's $100 or not. It probably isn't.
Of course it's not. It's probably like $12.42. I'm going to be able to go down the street and grab a freaking combo.
I moved it up again.
Okay.
Stop talking about it. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. Stop talking about it. You're going to scare the charts away. Come on. Previous day high, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. We're going to tap it. We're going to tap it. We might actually want to consider taking some profits when we hit that. We might dump. I mean, things have been overbought for a while. I don't know how long
I know. We've been running through the whole show, and you're about to hit.
Oh my God!
You're about to hit the previous day high.
So close.
You're about to hit the previous day high. Right?
Up $180, baby. 41% on this show.
Just to be clear, Team Keeper right now is Team Keeper here on the Crusader show of live trading is just saying I'm happy with this trade. That's what I'll say.
I'll move it up again.
I'm happy with that. I'm just happy.
Come on. Let's blast through this thing, baby. Come on. Let's hit that 39K live on the show, baby. Let's go. Come on.
David said the money flow is still creeping up. So,
yeah, man.
That's good.
It's defying all the laws of physics.
It is, but it only defies it so long.
Oh, wait, hold on. I think I put my stop loss too high. Hold on. No, this is bad. We're gonna get stopped out.
We'll just move it back down.
Oh no, hold on. I'm scared.
Don't drop it too low. There you go. All right, that's beautiful.
Come on. Don't come back. Oh no. This might be the big dump. We tapped it, dude. We tapped it. This might be the big dump.
It's wild how the TA plays that. I mean, it literally tapped. What was that? The previous day high?
Previous day high, 37,674, baby. I told you we were gonna hit it. We
hit
it.
A T. It just tapped it and then now
it's like I know
whether it stays that way or not.
All shout outs to leading crypto. If you guys haven't joined their trading group, I mean, go ahead. If you can tell, I can learn how to trade. You can do it too.
Yeah, we're right at resistance.
Oh, no.
Listen, it's okay.
It's coming from my stop loss, bro. It's haunting me. It's okay.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
It's gonna be okay.
Come on, turn back around.
Beautiful word that starts with a P, ends with a T.
Let's calm down. We're scaring it, man. Oh no. No, it's coming for me. No.
No, leave it.
Go away.
Leave it.
Go up. There you go. Green. Come on. Turn around, baby. Turn around. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Don't do this to me.
It's past 4 o'clock and we look like a couple crackheads on YouTube right now.
Don't do this to me.
Huffing and puffing on
this to me.
Huffing and puffing on
Come on. No. Come on. Go. Don't do this to me.
It's going to be over. If it does, it's over $100 profitable trade. That's a 25% win.
Come on, there we go. Doji can. Come on, baby. Turn around. Come on. Don't do this to me, baby. I've been treating you nicely.
By the way, he's going to blame me if at any point in the next week.
This is 100%
any point in the next week this trade goes back up, he's going to be like, we could have still been in that trade.
It's this week, baby. This week we're hitting 39K. Oh no! Come on, turn around.
I know
baby.
this story.
Don't listen to Keeper. We're not taking profits. Come on, go back up. Don't do this to me. Green. Come on, stay green, baby. Stay green. Come on. Smash those likes, guys. Tap those ones if you want this thing to go green. God. If it doesn't go green, it's your fault for not tapping a one. Tap a one into the chat, baby. Tap a one into the.
We need as many ones to move the price up.
That's right. All those ones are gonna move the price up, baby. I'm telling you. Start dropping ones, and we're gonna start moving up.
Oh my God!
Come on.
If somebody clips any part of this and tosses
this
it
is the
out
best
there,
trading show there is on all of YouTube.
I mean,
I'm
definitely.
People that don't know how to trade making money is the best. It's the best. Come on. Don't do it. Come on, we need more ones, baby. We need more ones. We need
more ones in the chat.
Trying to hold it.
One. Oh no! Crypto Red Bull hit twos.
No, it's over.
It hit the stop,
and then it's coming back up. It's going back up. The ones were too late. It was
the chat's fault. It was all the chat's fault. Let's take a look at it. How much money did we make?
$91.
$91, dude. That's a great trade.
All of this work for $91. Get the hell out of here.
$91 during the stream. Shout out, Crusader. Good trade. Now, guess what?
Now
you can walk away.
It stopped hunting me. Look, and now it's turning back around. It's turning
you can
back
walk
around.
Away
I knew it.
And
there it goes. Turning back around. I'm about to jump back in.
Crypto. No,
look at that. Look at that. Look at this.
No,
look at this.
You are on a 1 minute chart. You are on a 1 minute chart.
Look at this, bro. I knew I put that stop loss too high. I knew it. I knew it.
37.6, that previous day high. It's gonna come back. It's gonna tap it again and come back down. It's gonna come back down. Come back.
See what happens when you move stop losses? You get stopped out, baby. This is why you don't use those things.
Crypto fam, we love you guys. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Listen, reminders real quick, just a little housekeeping. Buy an NFT. They're 0.1 Ethereum, and 3 of the 12 give you, like, allow you to come on the show. Like, you're going to come on the show. And we say come on the show to play Flipper Hodl. Right now it's at $1,945. And so make sure to do that. And then also we haven't, dude, I think we just announced it. We need to still chat, but we want to do it for Black Friday. So listen, everybody, pay attention for our Twitter. If you're not following us on Twitter, let me show you the Twitters right quick. Here's our Twitter. Make sure that you are following us on Twitter. It is Crypto Wars OG, because we will make an announcement as to what we are doing, and we want you guys to be here. We're going to make an announcement for that as it relates to Friday. So be thankful for everything that each and every one of you have. Please be safe. Do us all a solid. Don't drink and drive. There's a little thing called Uber. I always remind people of that. Please be safe. Have fun with your families. If you're not with your family, have fun with whoever you are with. I love each and every one of you on the stream.
It's all the way back up.
Some of you a lot more than others.
The way back up. We would have been up $160 right now, and we walked away with 91 measly dollars. This is, oh my God, this is terrible.
Oh, thankful. Be thankful for the 91, like we can all be thankful for.
What am I going to do with that? Buy Chipotle?
That's an expensive Chipotle. Crypto fam. Crypto fam. Crusader's going to breathe, and I'm going to throw out there that
I'd get this thing out of here.
Love you. We love you. We appreciate you. Happy Turkey Day as of tomorrow. Pay attention to our Twitter, like I said, because we are planning on we'll make the announcement, possibly playing Flipper Hodl on Friday, $1,945, maybe a Black Friday, little something going on. So make sure you guys pay attention for that. Question everything.
Trust nothing. Like those stop losses. Never trust the stop losses, man. Like the damn stop losses.
Oh, and until next time, hodl.
Hodl those trades, baby. Hodl them to the top like it's hot.
We'll see you soon. Love you guys.